In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best SDR transceivers available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the SDR transceivers mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Radioberry version 2.0 SDR transceiver for Raspberry Pi. The Radioberry version 2.0 is a perfect plug-and-play SDR transceiver for Raspberry Pi enthusiasts. Supporting full HF spectrum analysis and transmission, it comes with a pre-flashed 32GB TF card for quick setup. Compatible with Raspberry Pi 4B and 3B+, this compact and affordable device lets hobbyists dive into SDR easily without complex installations. Great for beginners and experts aiming for a seamless Raspberry Pi SDR experience. Number 4, Xiegu G90C5W HF SDR Transceiver. The Xiegu G90C is an ultra-compact SDR transceiver perfect for HF band exploration. It supports SSB, CW, and digital modes across 0.5530 MHz, plus WFM reception from 88 to 108 MHz. Built with a robust design, it delivers a user-friendly experience for amateur radio enthusiasts. Its general coverage receiver and full amateur transmission range make it a strong performer for portable or home stations at an affordable price. Number 3, HAMGEEK PLUTO Plus SDR Radio Transceiver. The HAMGEEK PLUTO Plus covers a massive 70 MHz to 6 GHz range, making it ideal for advanced users and engineers. Powered by a Xiegu 7010 FPGA and featuring 2 TX/2 RX channels, it offers high-end flexibility and precision. MicroSD boot and VCTCXO 40 MHz timing ensure stable, easy operation. Its wide bandwidth capabilities open the door to a variety of experiments, education, and professional SDR projects. Number 2, Xiegu G90 20W HF SDR Transceiver. The Xiegu G90 is a powerful 20W SDR transceiver loved by amateur radio fans. Featuring a built-in auto antenna tuner, SDR structure for high performance, and plus or minus 24K bandwidth spectrum display, it's designed for clear, strong transmissions. Compact yet powerful, it's ideal for portable operations or base stations. Whether you're into SSB, CW, or digital modes, the G90 delivers consistent, high-quality performance. Number 1, R1.02W USDX plus V2 SDR HF Transceiver. The R1.02W USDX plus V2 is a portable all-mode HF SDR transceiver, perfect for outdoor and QRP operations. It features an open-source firmware platform for easy upgrades and customization. With high-precision TCXO and multiple interface options, it's versatile and reliable. Covering 8 HF bands, it's ideal for ham operators seeking flexibility, affordability, and rugged performance in a compact, travel-ready device.